Kissflow Approval Process 2024. Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you the process of Kissflow approval process. So make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So the first thing that you want to do is start with the curriculum approval process by filling out the form. Over here, you'll enter details like the type of course, justification, and specifics about the new curriculum. After that, depending on the type of request, different fields will display. Over here, you can also link the form to your existing course catalog and make quick changes if needed. For example, you can change the justification field from a single choice dropdown to a multiple choice checkbox. Then, when the faculty member submits the form, it moves through a series of approvals. Over here, the workflow involves approvals from the department chair, dean, academic affairs, and provost. These roles can be assigned automatically based on the department of the initiator. So that's how you can get the Kissflow approval. That's all for this video.